Guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset the tire pressure indicator of a Ford Kuga 2009. I had a flat tire and I repaired it, and I had an indicator popping up over here, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. Let's start right away. There is an indicator. You're going to use the left thumbstick over here. Scroll through the thumbstick to find this, hold set to set tire pressure, and the set button is this one, the left thumbstick. There is a press button and a turn button. Press and hold it and you'll see the indicator over here loading. Wait for it to load all the way up, and then the tire pressure has been set. Do the check and you'll see that it won't show up anymore. Indicator is now gone. That was it for this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.